Hi everyone, welcome to Xpress. This is the second part of a 4-part series where I'll be showing you how you can use the Xpress Xpress Platform to publish your book. In the previous video, I showed you how to sign up on the platform and enter your book details. If you have any questions about that, you can click here to watch the previous video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to format your book using the interior formatting tool. As you can see, we have two options here on the platform. If your book interior is already formatted, upload your print-ready PDF file. If not, you can use our interior formatting tool by clicking on Launch Interior Formatting Tool. Now you need a template for your interior design. As you can see, there are quite a few options here, but I'm going to go with La Rose. So now we're in the interior formatting tool. On the left side column, you'll be able to add different elements of your book: the front matter, chapters, and end matter. By clicking on drop down near the front matter, you'll be able to place your dedication, foreword, preface, acknowledgements, and prologue. If you have any additional parts to add to your front matter, you can click on the plus button here to add a page. Now that I've pasted my front matter, it's time to add the chapters of my book. To add a chapter, click on the plus button where you'll have the option to either add a chapter or a part page. As you paste your chapters, you can format your text as desired. Here you have the option to add a heading. I'm just going to do that. There are also options to bold, italicize, or even underline the text. Once you've pasted your text, if you want to find a particular word and replace it with another, you can use the Find and Replace options. To demonstrate, I typed you instead of she in the chapter, and to change that, I'll find the word you and replace it with she, and I'm done. If you want to add quotes, you can click here and add a quote like I'm doing now. You can also add a numbered or a bulleted list and align it to the left, center, or even right based on your preference. I'm going to add a section break by clicking on this icon, which will start a new section here. Finally, I'll be adding an image to my chapter. As you can see, there are various sources from which you can add pictures, but I'll be dragging and dropping one from my computer. Similarly, you can also format your text in the front matter and end matter as well. After pasting the chapters, I will add my end matter. I'll be including an epilogue and an author's note, but you can add whatever elements you see fit. Great, my manuscript is now complete. Once this is done, I'll click on Preview and Finish. As you can see, your entire manuscript is now formatted. If you like how it looks, you can click on Save and Continue. Head to the next video to see how you can design your book cover. Hey there, before you click on the next video, start your publishing journey by clicking on the link in the description. And if you have any publishing related queries, drop them in the comments below. Subscribe to Xpress for more such content. Happy publishing!